Hello guys, welcome to our unboxing video of the Lenovo K5 Play. This is one of those budget smartphones in the market right now. So if you're on a tight budget, you should consider the Lenovo K5 Play. Now, one of the good things about this is that it actually comes with a Qualcomm processor. That's one of the differentiating factors when it comes to a lot of other budget smartphones in the market right now that comes with MediaTek. You get a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor with this. So in this video, we'll be doing an unboxing so that you will see what is inside and some of the key features of this smartphone. So stay tuned. When I return, the unboxing video continues. Welcome back to unboxing video of the Lenovo K5 Play. My name is Pascal from NigerTechGuide.com. The K5 Play is one of those affordable smartphones you can find at stores near you. You can get it currently at Jumia Nigeria for around 35,000 naira and on AliExpress for around $100. We've provided links below to those smartphones in case you want to buy them. Now, one of the impressive features of this smartphone is the fact that you get a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, an Octa-core processor for that matter. So what it promises to give you some performance at the end of the day. So you can see the box it comes with. It comes in a white box, and as you turn it around, you can see it. I'm now going to open the box so that we can see what is inside the box. So it's wrapped in a waterproof, so if you remove that layer of waterproof, then you can remove the tape at the end there. So that is the tape there. This might take you a couple of seconds to get done. Okay, looks like I've done it. So getting it out, you open it more or less like a box of sugar, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to get it out of the box right now. You can see it has a 5.7-inch display with 720 by 1440 pixel resolution. So I'm going to get it out of the wrapper right now. You can see it looks comfortable in the arms because of the 16:9 aspect ratio. You can see the glossy back there, plastic. On the right side of the phone, you will see the volume rocker. It has separate buttons for the volume increment and reduction, and you also see the power button on the lower side of the phone. Then when I flip to the other side of the phone, you will see the SIM tray there. It comes with a hybrid tray, which means you have to share one tray with the memory card. Now, on the back right there, you can see the glossy plastic finish. This is a black model. You also get it in gray and blue. You can see the dual camera there, 13 megapixel camera and a 2 megapixel camera there for the back, and then you have the LED flash right there, and then you can see the rear facing fingerprint sensor. So you turn it on the lower end of the phone, you will see the micro USB port there. The speaker grill as well is located there. Now you can see some of the features there: a 5.7-inch display, a 2.5 D glass. You also have a Qualcomm octa-core CPU and a fingerprint reader as well. There's an 8 megapixel selfie camera also in front of the phone. So it looks great. Like I said earlier, this is a black model. You can get it also in blue and gray, and it comes with a glossy plastic finish. So let's see the rest of the items inside the box. You can see the user guide there, the quick start. You can see this transparent case also there. I'm going to try to fit it in so you can see how it matches it perfectly. So it works for it. It's a transparent case that comes with the smartphone, and then you can see the charger there. This is the charger offers about 1 amps at 5 volts, so it's not a fast charger, but you can get the phone charged in under 3 hours with the 3000 milliampere hour battery that is built in. So that is the cable, and then finally you have the SIM ejector pin. So that's the SIM ejector pin right there. So I'm going to get it out, and I'm going to try to get out the SIM tray so that you can also see how the SIM tray looks. So now, like I said earlier, it is a hybrid SIM tray. So I'm going to use this the ejector pin. So that is it. So you can see one tray is shared between the memory card, which can take up to 128 GB, of extra storage. So that is everything inside the box. You can see the phone, the transparent case, the pin, the charging cable, and the charger, and the manual. One thing that is missing here is the earbud. You cannot see the earbud because it doesn't actually come with the earbud. So if you're buying this phone, you have to buy a separate earbud. But of course, if you've been buying smartphones, you are likely to have an earbud lying around that you can actually use with the current smartphone. So other things you have to know about this smartphone is that it comes with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. That is this particular model I have here, but you can also get it with 2 GB RAM and 16 GB built-in storage. So that is it. So now we're going to focus a bit more on the phone. So I'm going to remove the specs screen there, and you can see how gorgeous the phone actually looks, even though it's plastic, glossy plastic for that matter. So I'm going to be turning it on. As you can see right there, just press and hold the power button there. So that is what the phone offers you. You also get 4G LTE with this smartphone, and like I said earlier, the battery is 3000 milliampere hour. So the phone boots up. Of course, if you're turning on the phone for the first time, you are going to do a couple of setups before you can actually begin to use the smartphone. But once you are done, you are going to get the screen that you are seeing right now. So you have Android 8.0 with ZUI 3.7 skin on it. So it comes with a couple of games built in, and a couple of other bloatware as well. So the UI looks clean. It looks a bit different from the standard Android UI. So you can see how you get to setting, you swipe upwards or you press the arrow pointing up. So you just swipe upwards in the upper third of the phone to get to the apps and all the other functionalities of the smartphone. So you can see it has a couple of bloatware preloaded with the phone, and particularly it comes with a number of games loaded. One different thing is that you can see that the app shortcuts are usually at the upper end of the smartphone is missing here. Instead, Lenovo puts it at the bottom end, so you swipe upwards in the lower third of the phone, so you can see it there. So you can see a couple of those settings there. You can see airplane mode, you can see hotspot there, you can see all those shortcuts for settings shortcuts right there. So that is one of the things that you might have to get used to. Of course, like I said, it comes with a couple of games. You can see it's probably one of the best smartphones you're going to get at this price range in terms of performance for gaming, thanks to the Octa-core Qualcomm Processor Snapdragon 430, and of course 3 GB RAM for this particular model. Like I said earlier, you can also get it with 2 GB RAM, and so you can see how gameplay actually goes very smoothly on this smartphone. So that is it for gaming on this smartphone. I bet you're going to enjoy it. So the phone looks clean, it looks brilliant. One thing you are going to pay attention is the smudge. So because it looks you can see it's a fingerprint magnet right there, so you have to pay attention to that. So now we're going to see the settings of the phone, so you can confirm the features right there. So there you can see it comes with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB memory built in there. So I'm going to confirm the Android. You can see Android 8.0.0 there. So that is it, Android Oreo. So that's confirmation that the smartphone actually comes with the Android smartphone, sorry, with the Android operating system. So that is it for the Lenovo K5 Play. It's an exciting smartphone. It comes with features, and everything runs smoothly on the smartphone. Gaming also seems very cool on the smartphone. That is our unboxing video. It's a good looking phone, glossy back, that is a fingerprint magnet, very comfortable to hold, lightweight as well. So that is a wrap of our unboxing video. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and of course hit the bell button for notifications. Thank you for watching this video. We'll be coming out with more unboxing videos. Keep watching. Bye.